Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a quick guide to enable dark mode on WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Press on settings. Click on chats. Now press on theme. Now, if you want to enable dark mode on WhatsApp, you just have to press the dark option. Press on OK. That's it. So this is the quick guide to enable dark mode on WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.